Hey, good afternoon, everyone. So here's a quick little. If you see this, those are the blue Spidertrax 1 1/4 inch wheel spacers. So on a Tacoma, see here, you see the front. You can see the blue right in there over the dirty brakes. And here's how it sits. You see that? Right there, you can see the edge of the tire. You can see the body right there. You see the barely stick out. You can see the back here. You can see the down. I'll shine a flashlight on it. You see the tire. And maybe a little hard to see. Sorry about that. There's the tire. Here's the tire right there. You can see there's the flush. There's the front. A little bit of the front right there. And oops. Once again, here's the rear. Maybe I should have got the black ones. I don't know. Blues are actually fine. Just torque them down and away you go. It comes with instructions, pretty easy to set up. Just make sure everything's clean when you put it on. Then torque down your normal lug nuts. Right there. Easy peasy. Let me know if you have any questions on this. All the instructions come with the Spidertrax 1 1/4 inch wheel spacers. You get them model specific. These are for the Tacoma. I think they go from 2005 all the way to 2020 or 2000. Yeah, they all work the same. I'll put it in the comments. But any questions? Let me know. They're pretty easy to install. Just most of the time, just takes getting the wheels off and then get a wire brush or some steel wool, and make sure everything's clean. Torque them down. Make sure you use the red Loctite that comes with it. Everything comes with it. Thanks. Bye.